Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blue screen critical process died in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, I'm in this window or screen. Okay, if you don't know how to navigate in this specific window, so all you got to do is restart your computer using the power button. Okay, restart it, and when it tries to log you in or boot up, go ahead and restart your computer 3 more times. Okay, use the same power button 3 more times, and then the 4th time you reboot or restart, it will now then go ahead and show you this specific window. Now, once you're in here, by the way, I have a video or video link in the description below where it teaches you the simple troubleshooting when you are at this window. Okay, it's also for blue screens. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you more options such as using the command prompt. Okay, so to do that, go ahead over to troubleshoot, now advanced options, and here we have command prompt. Okay, so just click on it, it will open up command prompt, and don't worry, the commands right here will be easy. So just type down bootrec / rebuild BCD. All right, again, bootrec / rebuild BCD. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, it says successfully scanned Windows installation. So go ahead and type down bootrec again / fix MBR. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and type down bootrec / fix boot. All right, hit on enter. I'm sorry, bootrec. Just like so. Bootrec / fix boot. Hit on enter. So as you can see here, it says denied in my instance because I'm using a virtual machine, but yours will be different. Okay. If it says success, well, let's move forward. Type down SFC. Okay. SFC / scan now. And once that's done, just hit on enter and wait for the process to finish. Okay. And once the process is done, you're going to go ahead and try to boot up to your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. If that will work, well, you can at least try, go to troubleshoot, reset this PC. Okay. If I were you, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything. But if you have important files on your computer, well, go ahead and keep my files. And all your files will be located on local disk C and then windows.alt. All right. That's basically it. Select from one of these options, follow simple prompts, and after that, you should be good to go. Now, if all else fails, all right, your best bet is to reinstall Windows entirely. You can go ahead and watch videos online on how to perform a clean install using a flash drive, as that would be easier. Or if you don't want to do the work, well, you can just go ahead and get it fixed by a local technician. Okay, they can check your hardware if there are problems or check for some faulty hardwares. Okay, and eventually we'll install a brand new operating system for your computer. There you have it. That is how you fix blue screen critical process died in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.